Do not judge me, guys. सबको पानी पूरी पसंद है, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing two eye products from a fairly new brand known as LOVETC. So if you are interested, let's quickly begin. LOVETC has sent me two of their eye products to try out. They never said that I need to make this YouTube video. I'm just doing a honest review of these two products that I have used for the past few days. This brand, if you don't know, is owned by Ananya Birla, and the brand ambassador currently is Janvi Kapoor. You might have already seen them on Nykaa. This brand is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, mineral-free, and all their products are made in Germany. Now let's talk about the two eye products that I received, and let's dive into all the details. First is the Eyefinity Pro Finesse Sketch Eyeliner. You get 1 gram of product. It's available in two shades. One is black, and the one that I have received, green light go, and this retails for rupees 750. One very unique thing about this sketch eyeliner I feel is the ingredients. So firstly, it has caffeine, which is supposed to give you a more awakening or awakened kind of look, and it also has ceramides, which is going to lock in your eyes moisture. Now I don't know if anybody else has put this kind of ingredients in a pen eyeliner. Kajal I can still understand, but I really did not see it coming for a sketch eyeliner. I love its very fine, precise tip. You can swipe thick or thin lines with the help of this. It gives a very effortless kind of control through which you get a very sharp definition. It has a very rich and deep color payoff, so you are going to get one stroke pigmentation. It does not flake at all, and it is completely like smudge proof and transfer proof. I got the shade Green Light Go, which you can see is looking so beautiful on my eyes, which I honestly did not expect. I've seen brands do the emerald kind of green, but this has a tinge of blue addition to it, I feel, which is complementing so well with my medium skin tone. I did not think while swatching it on my hand that this is going to look good on Indian brown skin, but I'm pleasantly surprised and I'm quite happy. Definitely be very excited if this brand brings up more colors to this pen eyeliner. They claim that this is a 24-hour long formula. This is an exaggeration. I kept it for 12 hours, and I saw that when my eyelids got oily, they started fading away. So the kind of pigment it had when I first applied it was not the same after 12 hours. So 24 hours, I don't think it will be able to last. It will definitely fade away, so you have to reapply. They also say that this is waterproof. I will not say this is waterproof. It is more water resistant. If you come in contact with water after applying this, this is definitely not going to bleed away or flake away. But if you rub it once you have water, then it might disappear. But overall, I'm really impressed with this product. The only thing I feel is that the price point is a little bit steep. There are many other pen eyeliners in the market for a more affordable rate. I am going to definitely recommend this and give it a huge thumbs up. The second eye product I got is the Eyephoria Longwear Kajal. You get 0.35 grams and it retails for 600 rupees. This is available in three shades. You have black, deep blue and purple. I got the black one. Shade name is Black Matter. This is a retractable pencil, and I really like that about it because there is going to be no wastage. This also has some amazing ingredients. First of all, it has marula oil, which deeply nourishes your delicate eye area, and it also has hyaluronic acid, which draws moisture to the skin so that it does not feel dry at all. This kajal glides effortlessly. It moves like butter. It's very richly pigmented, and you get a velvety finish. This has deeply saturated hues with high impact color payoff, and because it has this gel infused texture, it feels very feather light and soft on your eyes. Now this one is completely waterproof and smudge proof. You can rub it as much as you want, but it will not budge. If you have sensitive eyes, you do not need to worry because this will not irritate you or make your eye watery or even make your eyes dry. They claim that this has a wear time of 18 hours. I haven't really tried out for that long. I did wear it for 7 to 8 hours and it was there. So I will say that this is fade resistant because this completely did not fade. It was just there. I did not need to reapply. I just feel that the price could have been a little bit more affordable. That's all. No other complaints from this. So that was my honest take on the LOVETC sketch eyeliner and the kajal. Overall, I'm really impressed. I really did not expect the sketch eyeliner especially to have such amazing ingredients, because that is something new that I have discovered. Apart from the price point, there is nothing really I have to complain about, and they more or less perform whatever they are claiming. I feel that this is something which I'm definitely going to recommend, and surely they are getting a thumbs up from me. This also kind of excites me to go forward and try other products from this brand. I have seen a lot of their lip products which I'm excited to try, and I will make sure to link them in my description box. Do check out, and if you have found this review helpful and informative, do share, like, comment. It will just motivate me to come back and make more amazing content for you. Consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.